what are we creating? A self-learning AI? An autonomous vehicle that sees, thinks, and acts? Or perhaps an AI-powered revolution in efficiency? What we are building is a new way for people, machines, and infrastructure to work together. It begins with micro-optimization and grows into an intelligent ecosystem. Rooted here, growing globally, enhancing the present while empowering the future. What we bring to the world is shorter port stays for ships, more efficient air cargo operations, warehouses moving inventory faster, and above all, supply chains redesigned for greater intelligence and resilience. Where every production decision moves in step with demand. When intelligence reshapes how the world moves, efficiency is redefined at every moment. Each perfectly calibrated part arrives exactly where it's needed. Packages crossing oceans reach millions of doorsteps right on time. Distributed production works together as one, even across distances. Production is reprogrammed. Waiting gives way to synchronization. Idle time becomes foresight. Every second is put to its best use. We are reshaping how the world connects with each of us, so that every movement uses less and delivers more, so that the pace of development moves in harmony with the planet. Between efficiency and sustainability, we choose both.